Okay, 6 cubes to go.
We are back.
All right. We're going to get all these cubes open for you guys so you can all see them. So, Mr. Nick, 6 to go. What's first? You have 3 seconds to pick one before I tickle you.
No. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Five.
All right. Begin unboxing. Start your experience. Oh, this never gets old, does it?
It doesn't.
I love that. And okay, what's happening? There we go. A rare comet. Whoa! That's cool. Look at him. He looks great.
I like him.
Yeah. That's awesome.
That's cool.
Let's take a look at his. Okay, 271. Got some more stats in there. Nice. A rare. Love it. We haven't really done with these guys what we did with Masters of the Universe, right? With all the He-Man stuff, we like picked out, we knew every level. I don't really know what each one looks like, so this is even more surprising than the He-Man guys. It's kind of more fun this way. Nice.
Because I want to know what they all look like.
All right, cool. All right, we'll be back soon.